What protection does the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act give to people who are in debt? The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, for short FDCPA, is designed to prevent debt collectors from using unfair, deceptive, and abusive practices. The FDCPA provides protection to debtors from harassment, threats, and deception from debt collectors. Collectors are restricted in terms of when and how they may contact and communicate with the debtors. FDCPA also offers protection to surviving relatives, limiting the ability of collectors to recover debts from them. Violations of the Act include using abusive or harassing tactics such as threatening violence or using obscene language. Additionally, debt collectors are prohibited from making false or misleading statements, including misrepresenting the amount or status of the debt. The FDCPA also restricts debt collectors from contacting third parties about a consumer's debt, except in limited circumstances, and it requires them to provide written notice of the debt and the consumer's rights within 5 days of initial contact. Steps to take under the FDCPA are sending a letter demanding communication with the debtor to stop, requesting validation and calculations of the debt, and sending a letter to contest the debt. If a collector violates the Act, it's critical that the debtor document such violations. Collect and maintain all relevant documentation, record phone conversations so long as your state allows one-sided phone calls, or get permission first. Violations can be reported to the State Attorneys General, Federal Trade Commission, or Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Don't be a victim of abusive practices. Follow the steps of the FDCPA and protect yourself.